Don't say these to a person living with schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a severe mental disorder characterized by the inability of its victims to distinguish between what is real from what is not real. Living with schizophrenia is bad enough without the smattering of stigmatizing sayings from others that accompany it. In this video, we will show you some 22 phrases and words you should not say to a person living with schizophrenia. Try not to say these to an individual living with schizophrenia. 1. You're simply being careless. 2. You're just being delusional. 3. You are a fool. 4. You are a confused person. 5. Do you truly believe you're controlled? 6. You don't look sick. 7. Are you dangerous? 8. Why don't you kill yourself? 9. You are unwell. 10. You don't look schizophrenic. 11. Stop acting crazy. 12. I am crazy too. 13. How many personalities do you have? 14. Cheer up, you will get over it. 15. Did you take your drugs? 16. You are just being stubborn. 17. What did your strange friends tell you today? 18. Hope your children are not like you. 19. Wake up. 20. Just don't listen to the voices. 21. Do you really think you are possessed? 22. Calm down, don't worry. Conclusion. We should show empathy to the sick and offer to them our unconditional love. No matter how strange it may appear to us who are blessed to be mentally healthy, people living with schizophrenia and other related mental disorders don't perceive reality as we know it. Please share this video.